Are you tired of scrolling through your Instagram feed? Do you feel like the app is no longer serving you and you want to get rid of it? Well, you're not alone. There are many reasons why someone may want to delete their Instagram account, from privacy concerns to simply wanting to reduce screen time. In this video, we'll show you how to delete Instagram in 2023, both permanently and temporarily. Before we begin, keep in mind that once you delete your account, there's no going back. All your posts, stories, and chats will be permanently removed, so make sure you download your data first if you want to keep any of it. To download your data, open the Instagram app on your phone, go to Settings, select Security, then Download Data. Verify your email, and within 48 hours, you'll receive a copy of all your photos and videos. Note that your messages won't be included. To permanently delete your account, log into your Instagram account on a web browser, go to the Instagram deletion page, select a reason for deleting your account, enter your password, and confirm. Your account will now be invisible to other users, and you'll have 30 days to change your mind and reactivate it. If you're not ready to say goodbye to Instagram forever, you can temporarily disable your account. To do so, log into your account on a web browser, go to your profile, click Edit Profile, and scroll down to Temporarily Disable My Account. Select a reason for disabling, re-enter your password, and confirm. Your account will be hidden from other users, and you can reactivate it at any time. Deleting or disabling your Instagram account is a simple process that can help you regain control over your digital life. Don't forget to check out our other videos on online privacy and security, and let us know in the comments why you decided to delete or deactivate your Instagram account.